Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So apparently Cheese and Ivany, they're still at it. I haven't bothered to upload any of the lives that they did because it's just basically the same thing that, the same thing that is going on. A bag of people calling in and everybody are call and give them opinion on the situation. Well, Cheese will host our live, Judge Roy have our live, and her people them will come over and say what's going on, and whoever Ivany them or whatever them. So I haven't been uploading because, as I said, it's just basically the same thing we're going. So I saw a live today where apparently Ivany a plan for juke up Cheese a lava party. So she say she ready, but she ain't gonna be. She said she not gonna go to the party because Ivan knows that she on probation, and Ivan knows that if she do anything, she liable to get 1 year in jail, and obviously after she do her 1 year jail stint, then you know that she will be deported because it's not like she's from America. So them people in a them mix up saga. So I'm gonna give you a bit of Cheese's live and let you hear what Cheese say. I'm gonna let you hear what some of the things that Cheese has to say in regards to this this juke up situation. I don't understand what is wrong with these people. Anyway, guys, these things are, for me, it's just all for entertainment. So I'm hoping you guys that are watching this are not taking it as not take it on for your head too much, because at the end of the day, guys, this is social media, and believe half of what you hear and half of what you see, because who knows, probably they are just having a prank and they're doing their thing, because they know that the more they argue and the more they will curse and swear at each other, and the more derogatory they go, the more deeper them go and them a cuss. You know that it's the more people tune in, because people like the mix up, and it's the more people contribute to the cause, like financially. So who is on this one's who is in agreement with this team? People will come. When I said this team, I mean Cheese on one side, Ivany on one side. So whoever the team is you're on, whether it's Cheese or Ivany, whether you have RT, Boss and Bling or whatever, whoever the opponents are, whoever the people are that's fighting against each other, or having a beef, or having a social media tiff, or whether it's a prank or whatever it is, you're gonna have people who, the more them argue and the more the more horrible the argument is, and the more disgusting, and the whole talk it's like the more you talk bad is the more you go viral, because people are like me not go viral, because nobody not make me go viral, because it's not like me extraordinary. I'm just here sitting in my city, or sitting in my bed, or sitting in the park or wherever, and I'm just doing my bits and pieces of whatever it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert a bit of Cheese live. I'm gonna insert a bit of Cheese live, and then you can hear what Cheese say. Maybe I don't know if I'm gonna do the entire thing, but there's so many sites that you can go to get the entire clipping. You can go on Credible Boss, because that's where I saw the clipping. So if you want to see the video in its entirety, you can go to pardon me, you can go to Credible Boss news channel page, YouTube page, and you'll be able to see listen in its entirety, and you will be able to see more videos. If those are what you're interested in, you will be able to see more videos pertaining to the whole bada, the whole, not bada, sorry, and a bada cat, no, the whole border, Barbies. Some of them not fi call Barbie, some of them are hen, all hen. No, then all four, no pan down na yard, nobody not even want kill. But they say them are the Caribbean Barbie, so who am I to say you can't be? I'm in them position. I'm not a Barbie, I'm just a regular woman, almost half a century. Just I see what I go on and just I give my opinion. So I'm gonna insert the video clip with cheese, and yeah, you can hear what's going on. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us build this community. You don't have to be, remember to leave your comment and keep your comment clean. We don't want to be all cussy. We don't want to be cheese and IVANY over here, okay? So if this is not something that's for you, well, just scroll and go by. But if there's something interesting that you see in my channel that you would like to be a part of, just remember to like, share and subscribe for more. And we're out. Peace.
Yo, she a gonna lava party. She a make sure say she a make it a lava party.
Get in her blood clot.
See you do something.
Get in her blood clot skin. Vanya 4 months when you have left to do the probation.
Oh, she have straight for you.
Yeah, because
Oh,
she
me
know me
never
dey on
did get them
probation.
straight there.
You should know me dey on probation.
Yeah.
Vanya, young world. Let's boogie down on the dance floor.
She reach a lava party, girl, in a September.
She a lava party. The girl know me dey on probation. Hey, girl, you can't drop no trap for me.
Hi,
Hey,
Cheesy.
I violate my probation and 1 year me I go do so good. Me not go have a party. Say if a fake it, make sure you come cause somebody you come see it too, right? It's not me. Not blood clot me. Me, how you not gonna get for set dropping in your trap? Me and a fool.
Right, let's
You
go.
idiot, you can't fight. Oh, you be no go on.
Oh, not much. I'm just here. I just been taking you in. Hi, Barbie. I just been watching Loki. Hi there. And I'm just waiting till, kind of settle out because you've been busy for the last few days. And honestly, she's not going to no party. She's just talking. She's not going nowhere.
No
You couldn't even reach out a match for me.
Yeah.
But I want to reach a party.
Already, so when time she come, you not have to see me. People there wait for your all.
I see everybody jumping on your back.
Party, girl. Hey, girl, you save me about 700. Hey, girl, you make me not go have a party. Hey, girl, you think that none of you can test me, gangster boy, yeah? Hey, girl,
It's a
you
blessing.
on probation.
It's a blessing,
Hey, girl,
Chief.
you say wanna go call me probation officer. Hey, girl, you come with a lame one. What me say? You come with a lame one, she not go nowhere.
She's not. Cheese, you know what? If you can't go, it's a blessing. It's to save you. Because if you go there, you never know.
Who can't go?
One way.
Who can't go? Me?
You
You
can go.
Me not go if she a go.
My apologies. I thought you meant you couldn't go.
Barbie go on night party.
Well, you know what? It's best that you just, stay to yourself because you don't want to go and the devil try to fool you. And
Nah, go. Me can't know say me and this girl fighting no matter what.
Yeah.
My probation officer said me to stay far from she. When me forgot this I do what she did.
Cheese, you don't have to touch Ivani. Ivani's in America and she cannot walk straight without looking over her shoulder.
Girl, you not tell me.
Right? When
Blam them
Ivani's
call
on
me
live,
phone and blam
appear
them
look
say,
round
"Yeah, come
Ivani
check
and look
you."
round.
I'm say me go ask Ivan if me can give the address. Blam them say him a go link up with Pretty Dan and him and Pretty Dan come. This don't pussy girl a go say how much me give people her address. Girl, if me give people the address so you steal. You know where it go. You supposed to give the man the Barbie, you know hear the video there to Barbie?
What?
So me give the man the address. Me give the man where you give me number for buy the weed. The address. And you are the man a friend. The man can easy well just give you the number. She coward and like make trouble.
She a idiot.
Girl, if me that pray a certain way, me not have to touch you. All me have to do is just call somebody make them come beat you. Because what people you fuck with, We're in a Florida and in a Miami. Damn.
But you don't even have to do that. You know how much people want a whole IVANY?
Me never do that. Me no can do any of them things. Them woman.
First of all, me are one of them who want all her. Me are one of them who want all her.
She said the man
that me could have go over there and all the girl. A cheese make me not go over there.
You never understand.
Like, yo, them get the girl and me could have all Vanny, you know, more. Listen, more and Vanny for understand blood clot this. Me could have fucking all you, Vanny. I knew where you was. I knew where you was. Because I cheese me love you, little girl. You understand? Because I cheese make me love you. Vanny, me could have damaged your blood clot, you know, Vanny. You keep on and take me as a bait, Vanny. Don't take me as a bait.
Barbie,
cheese make me love you.
Barbie, sorry, don't mean to cut you. Did she not talk about your child too?
Yes.
Okay. But I guess your guys' children don't matter because I want the child as a baby, right?
No, our picture shit and fear won a prize bowl.
Yeah. Did you see the video I sent you? I don't even know if I could even do that. I sent you some lady, I don't even know the person, but it seemed like everybody had jumped on your back.
No man, me deal with that. I get I saw 2 more days. 2 days, 1 more day left out of that 3 days.
Okay, all right.
I have 4 days to get class. Come see one next different boy post a video today. Cloud to now look.
These people are talking, they don't even know the full story.
They don't know shit.
Just jumping on half a thing and running. My thing is, why does everyone keep talking about the baby, like she's 12-year-old son is not somebody baby. And remember, say she's your son is 12.
The baby, because my son a big boy, we are going to school.
Yeah, but that's the thing. He's going to school. Suppose you had posted him on the internet like that, and people
still a
and bully him now. You know how much children are harming themselves in school over bullying? IVANY shouldn't do that. Because her child is no more than your child. If she had not brought it up, you couldn't have went there.
That's the thing.
Right? So people should just allow you and let you get it off your chest. When I'm upset, let me get it off. And when time passes and the dust settles, let me sit and reflect with myself and talk to
my jeez, what's going on, my good friend? I used to... What's going on?
What's the audacity to come and talk, say, hey, me say me eat the girl, you know?
Oh my gosh. I guess we're still on IVANY.
You know what, Cheese? Guess what? In a few years' time, war's coming to America. Guess what? Some dog have to tuck your tail between their leg and come right back to your footstep. Remember I tell you, because you're not going to turn around. So all
I'm not ready. It's not going to happen again, though.
Well, you know what?
This is the last year, you're so ungrateful.
But you know what, Cheese? Your heart's not going to just see our uncle and just feel bad. Yeah.
I feel bad. I make it right. Me and my call two friends and talk about it.
But that's exactly what's gonna happen to you. That's why we know you can't. Not even Destiny you really hate like that. You can't even stand Destiny. Look how you had Destiny the other day, and I'm thinking Destiny was gonna sit and hold reason.
Is me know how for blood clot black out the dirty people about. I can't get people. You can't make them.
And that's what made me really see.
What them do to me. But that them just know say them draw a line with me and always draw a line. They always have them away. You get me? The girl that they treat me though. They treat me. I think say she was
I feel like she was like a daughter to you.
Me say me swear the little girl up to something good. Oh no good.
Because you were writing for her real hard throughout that whole situation.